Altamont, Illinois, and it is full of nature. And we've seen all kinds of birds and deer. Seen at least, what was that, 5 deer now? And we've only been out here for like 30 minutes. And I mean, there's squirrels and birds everywhere. So it's really nice. They got an interpretive trail. Has all kinds of little placards and stuff that describe the wildlife that you could see on the trail. It's a really nice place. It's a little chilly today, and it's starting to get dark on us, but it's a nice little hike close to home that we enjoyed coming out here. It's really nice. They have waterfowl and stuff like that out here. There's a lot of wetlands and stuff, little bridges and stuff to go across with your family. It's really nice. If you ever have a chance and you're in this area, you should visit. I forgot to mention that Ballard Nature Center also has a really nice visitor center that has a bunch of interactive exhibits for children, and I mean just adults too. They have a little bird viewing area inside of it. It's a really nice, well-maintained facility, and it's all free, so I mean you can't hardly beat free. So like I said, if you're ever in the area, Altamont, Illinois is a really nice place to go hiking, so spend a day.